What additional capability does Ganglia provide to that Hadoop alone does not provide? Option A. Ability to monitor number of files in HDFS. Option B. Ability to monitor free task slots. Option C. Ability to monitor processor utilization. Option D. Ability to monitor name node memory usage. Option E. Ability to monitor the amount of free space on HDFS. The correct answer is option C. For each job, the Hadoop framework generates task log files. Where are these log files stored? Option A. 1. The local disk of the slave node running the task. Option B. In HDFS, in the directory of the user who generates the job. Option C. On the local disk of the slave node running the task, then copied into HDFS. Option D. On the local disk of the slave node running the task, but logs are discarded immediately upon task completion. The correct answer is option B. In a Hadoop cluster for running production jobs that require short turnaround times, the most important consideration for slave nodes is option A. The ratio between the amount of memory and the number of disk drives. Option B. The ratio between the amount of memory and the total storage capacity. Option C. The ratio between the number of processor cores and the amount of memory. Option D. The ratio between the number of processor cores and total storage capacity. Option E. The ratio between the number of processor cores and number of disk drives. The correct answer is option E. What is the secondary name node? Option A. An alternate data channel for clients to reach HDFS, should the name node become too busy. Option B. A process that performs a checkpoint operation on the files produced by the name node. Option C. A data channel between the primary name node and the tertiary name node. Option D. A process purely intended to perform backups of the name node. Option E. A standby name node, for high availability. The correct answer is option B.